Hear me out, guys. Okay. So, it was about 1 or 2:30 last night, and my dad just started sleeping because he was snoring. He was like, so, I was there. I was just, woken up by him snoring. Then, all of a sudden, what I hear was zzz, zzz, right outside my window. So I was just right here. It was about maybe high up in the air, but it sounded really big. And it's literally sounded like a UFO, fixing to abduct me in this camper. So I went over here and I didn't hear anything. So then I went over here and I heard something. So then I was like, what the and it was just crazy. So then hold up. I lost my spot. Okay. But then I was like, Dad. And I told my dad what I heard last night, and it was actually a drone. It was about the size of an airplane because he went out there and he shot at it and tell it to go away. And it's about the size of an airplane. And a lot of people like to spy on them. So yeah, I just don't get why people want to spy on just him. And it's not just other people. They just like to mess around with him. And I just don't get it. And I didn't know what to do last night. I didn't want to go outside. And I was too lazy to get up and grab my dad's phone so I can record it. Plus, he was snoring. Who wants to hear my dad snore? You could barely even hear it. But, yeah. I just don't know why they like to spy on him. I'm just like, what? So, yeah. Bye, guys.